Connectors.
My name is Zoe Jason Hani.
Margaret.
My name's Rosa.
Megan DeWolf.
I'm Brooklyn. I'm Bryn.
Rachel. Connectors is a group of 8th graders, and we help the 6th graders, and we do like fundraisers and stuff.
Connectors are a group of kids at the school that helps younger people and just helps the school come together as one.
Connectors is a group of 8th graders that help the 6th graders adjust to their new life in middle school.
It's where we help people around the school, and it's like a unity thing, being all together. Yeah.
It's a group of 8th grade students who help the 6th and 7th graders be more comfortable at Smith.
Connectors is a group of 8th graders who was chosen to help 6th graders and their new life at middle school.
You have to write down like on a sheet of paper, or they give you a slip of paper, and you have to write down why you think you'd be a good connector, and they'll pick you if they feel that you're a good fit for it.
You become a connector when you fill out an application and you send it to 2 teachers and they decide if you're responsible enough for this job.
At the end of 7th grade, you get a form and you have to fill it out saying your best qualities and a teacher recommendation, and then you're chosen at the end of the year.
During 7th grade, you get a slip from Mr. Torres and Mrs. Hartenberg, and they ask you to get a teacher recommendation, and then when you turn in your slip, they select the people that most stand out, and yeah.
At the end of 7th grade, you put in this letter and you have to have like a teacher recommend you, and Mr. Torres and Ms. Hartenberg choose you. We've been working on 8th grade promotion and making it the best it can be.
We are filling out something for promotion, filling out flower, color, and song for our promotion.
Recently, we've been working on 8th grade promotion, and we've been deciding like class motto, class flower, and it's really fun.
Right now we're planning 8th grade promotion, and we're doing like fun stuff.
We were donating food, toothbrushes, all these different items to the hospital.
We are currently working on the 8th grade class graduation stuff, and stuff like that.
Yes, I would recommend it to 6th and 7th graders because they get to show what they have and that they can help others while helping themselves at the same time.
Most definitely, because it's a great way to come together and really know how to cooperate with others and learn responsibility.
Yeah, I would recommend it because it's fun and you're part of like a lot of things in the school.
Yeah, it's fun, and you get to help people learn like orientation around the school. It's pretty fun. We get to help them, and then we learn new people. We meet new people, and we learn like what they're like and stuff. You get to ask them a lot of questions and show them around. It's pretty fun.
Yes, I would recommend doing Connectors because it's a really fun thing and it's really great, and you're doing a good thing for your school.
I would recommend it because I think it's a good experience, and it's been really fun.
Just feeling good about helping other people.
My favorite thing is going to the meetings early in the morning and just learning a bunch of new stuff and learning new ways to help with the community and our school.
My favorite thing about being a connector is to be chosen to help people around the school.
I like how we get to take charge or whatever with the 6th graders, and that we're with a lot of our friends. I like being a connector because I know that I'm helping 6th graders and everyone.
That you get to help the 6th and 7th graders just with their daily lives or big things happening.
Thank you for your time.
Yep.
That's pretty good.
Anytime.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Good job, Megan.
You're
That's all.
welcome.